Good morning, students, and Assalamu alaikum. We are going to start exercise of this lesson number 3, which we have done previously with reading. Take out page number 17 of your books. Page number 17. Correct the false statements with information from the text. Now, these are true and false. Statements which are false, uske liye bhi we have to write it down the correct statement. As we have done previously, we have been doing this in our SST, that if the statement was wrong, we have to write the correct statement. So if you find any space in your books, you can write the correct statement there, or you can write it down on your rough copies. Okay? If you have a space in your books, you can write wrong correct statements in your books as well, or otherwise you can write it down in your rough copies. Now look at sentence number 1. William wanted to collect money so that they could go to the zoo. Is this the correct statement? Raise your hand. Is this the correct statement? William wanted to collect money so that they could go to the zoo. Yes, Alifia, is this the correct statement?
It's false.
Yes?
It's false.
False. What is the correct statement for this sentence? Why were they collecting money?
For to do William for his money and for
Okay, Fatma, what is the correct statement? Correct statement.
William wanted to collect the money so that they could buy bows and arrows.
Yes, very good. Okay, now write it down. Write it down the correct statement. William wanted to collect money so that they could buy bow and arrow. William wanted to collect money so that they could buy bow and arrow. William wanted to collect money so that they could buy bow and arrow. Okay, Mubara, if you have done it, that's very good. Now come to next statement. Aunt Emily had been very ill 2 years ago. Is this the correct statement? मुबरा आप साथ साथ correct statements भी लिख रही हो? Or you have just done it by seeing my answers on your screen? You also have to write down the correct statements which I am saying. सिर्फ आपने मेरा देख के true false और blank fill in नहीं कर लेना. You have to write down the correct statements as well. Aunt Emily, this is false. Write false. Aunt Emily had a slight cold 2 years ago. Write down the correct sentence. Aunt Emily had a slight cold 2 years ago. Aunt Emily had a slight cold 2 years ago. Now come to number 3. Aunt Emily enjoyed eating and sleeping. This is true. Write true in on it. Yes, Olivia.
टीचर व्हाट
जी
इज मुझे ना टू वाले का सेकंड वाला नहीं आ रहा समझ
second one is
Arrow लिखा हुआ
false.
है
Second one is false. Aunt Emily had a slight cold 2 years ago. This is the correct answer.
टीचर नहीं fill in the blanks का कह रही हूँ मैं
बेटा मैं filling the blanks पे आ गई हूँ. What we are doing right now? Who told you to fill in the blanks right now? Don't do your work on your own. Yes, Fatma.
Teacher, how will we write it on copy?
You will write the wrong statement like as it is written here. You will write William wanted to collect money so that they could go to the zoo. Uske aage you will write false. And then and on the next line you will write correct answer. Then you will write this William wanted to collect money so that they could buy bows and arrows. ठीक है?
And then the next one the same.
Next one the same, and the statements which are true that will remain true. You will just write true in front of it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, students, when you will write in your classwork copies this homework, please write the false statement first, and then you will write answer A and S, and then you will write the correct statement in front of it. Number 5. Number 4, William's mother said that he could have a few friends in his room on Sunday afternoon. This is true. जी बेटा.
टीचर
Yes.
जो सेंटेंसेस ट्रू है उनके नीचे कोई सेंटेंस आएगा
No, the sentences which are true that will remain true. वो तो true ही है, उसके नीचे आप कुछ नहीं लिखोगे.
ओके
Come to next 5. The children came to the show and knocked on the front door of William's house. Is this the correct statement? Did they knock the door of William's house? No, this is false. They didn't knock at the Williams house. Write false and write down the correct sentence. The children came for the show, comma. The children came for the show, comma. Climbed onto the ground wall. Climbed onto the ground wall. Crawled it and climbed through the window. Crawled it and climbed through the window. This is the correct statement. I am repeating it again. The children came for the show, comma. The children came for the show, comma. Climbed onto the ground wall. Climbed onto the ground wall. Crawled, C-R-A-W-L-E-D, crawled. C-R-A-W-L-E-D, crawled it and climbed through the window. Crawled it and climbed through the window. This is the correct statement for sentence number 6. Sorry, 5. Sentence number 5. Number 6 is William wrote the notice for Aunt Emily after the show had started. True. This is true statement. Write true in front of it. And the statements which are true, that will remain true. You have to write nothing below it. Only the statements which are false, below them you will write the correct statements in your classwork copies. This question number 2 is your homework. You have to write it down on your copies. When you will get a homework from school, do read it very carefully. The questions which you have to do it on your copies, they will be written in bold letters that on copy. So जिन questions के आगे on copy लिखा होगा, you have to write it down in your classwork copy. Now come to question number 3. Complete the sentences with words or phrases from the text. Yes, Fatma. Let me unmute you. Wait. Unmute yourself, Fatma.
Teacher, you have started the homework of notes from chapter 2.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
The notes of the homework. You have started the chapters from chapter number 2.
Yes, from chapter number 2, we have start from chapter number 2, lesson number 4. From here, your homework starts, na?
Okay.
Chapter unit number 2, lesson number 4, but question number 1 and 2 are not included right now. I have started your homework from question number 3, as we have done in our books in previous lecture as well. Okay. Yes, Ifra, unmute yourself. Ifra, do you have any question?
मैं कह रही हूँ ये जो आपने ट्रू फॉल्स करवाए हैं ये कॉपी पे लिखने हैं.
Yes, you have to write it
Homework
down in your copies. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, come to next. This blanks. Complete the sentences with words or phrases from the text. A group of schoolboys play together is called a gang. The word starts with G, so it is gang. G-A-N-G, gang. You can shoot wild animals if you have dash and some dash. How can you shoot wild animals? By bow and arrow, right? Bow, B-O-W, bow, and arrow, A-R-R-O-W, arrow. Sentence number 2, bow and arrow. Sentence number 3, when you make somebody pay for a camel ride, you dash that person some money. Charge, C-H-A-R-G-E, charge. You charge some money to that person. Number 4, the opposite of a bad cold is a light cold. L-I-G-H-T, light, light cold. Ibrahim, what are you doing? Number 5, a short sleep during the daytime is called a nap. N-A-P, nap. A short sleep during daytime is called a nap. N-A-P, nap. Number 6, if you pay to go into museum, you pay on a dash entrance fee. It will be entrance fee. F-E-E fee. I have written F-R-E-E free. No, it is fee. F-E-E fee. Entrance fee. Make correction. It is entrance fee. If a court is angry, it is what it is. It scratches. It scratches you on the hand. Unmute yourself, Ifra.
मैं कह रही हूँ ये 6 वाला जो है उसके ई के बाद क्या लगना, उसका वर्ड क्या है?
Entrance, E-N-T-R-A-N-C-E, entrance. Fee, F-E-E fee.
ओके टीचर, हो गया.
Okay.
यस.
Okay, good. Number 7 is scratches. S-C-R-A-T-C-H-E-S, scratches. S-C-R-A-T-C-H-E-S, scratches. Number 8, a person who is noisy makes a loud noise while asleep. Noisy, N-O-I-S-Y, noisy. N-O-I-S-Y, noisy. Number 9, people who don't have their own teeth put dash in their mouth instead. False teeth. F-A-L-S-E, false, T-E-E-T-H, teeth, false teeth. Have you done, everyone? Okay, now look at this question number 4. Discuss these questions. How do you think the story will end? As I have told you, this is only part 1. We have to do the part 2. In next lecture, we will read part 2 reading. Then we will see how, okay, now just you tell me how you think the story will end. And question number 2, if you did a show of your own, what exhibits would you show to your friends? Now, these are the 2 questions from me to you people. Raise your hand and answer me. How do you think the story will end? Before reading the next lesson and before coming to any end of this chapter. Okay, number 9. Number 9 is false teeth. F-A-L-S-E, false. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. False teeth. Yes, Mubarra, unmute yourself.
Teacher, can I tell the question number 1?
Yes, tell me what you think the ending should be.
Teacher, teacher,
Yes.
teacher,
Yes, beta. Tell me what you think the ending should be.
teacher William, teacher William will collect the money
Okay, William will
and buy bows and arrows.
okay. Do you think this is this could be the ending, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, but what about we have read this chapter ended on Aunt Emily's wake up.
What, teacher?
And okay, just tell me of answer question number 2. Look at question number 2. If you did a show of your own, what exhibits would you show to your friends? अगर आप अपना कोई show करते हो, what exhibitions, what artwork will you show to your friends? Yes, Mubarra, have you think about it?
No, teacher.
Okay, think about it. If you organize a show for your friends, what exhibits you will show? Like William had shown them, but all these exhibitions were false, but he had shown them a rat, a rabbit, and what else? A cat, a wild cat, he says. So what exhibitions will you show to your friends? Who else wants to answer this question? Yes, beta.
Teacher, I will show the magic to them.
Okay, and what artwork? Artwork kya kya hoga? What will be the artwork?
Artwork.
Okay, think about it. Let me ask to other students, okay? Yes, Fatma, unmute yourself.
Teacher, about the history of the old ages,
Okay. And
the paintings.
paintings, okay, very good. And what do you think how the story will end? What do you think about it?
Like teacher, he showed in his show that is so many animals. So I think the kids gave him the money, and now he can buy bows and arrows.
But what about the part where Aunt Emily had woke up?
She
I think
noticed.
she would notice the things happening around the house because he had organized this show in his house, na? And his father is also in the house. Maybe she makes some noises and his father woke up. I think the ending will be like, because this is all based on falsehood, right? They are also collecting money for some bad cause, to buy arrow and bows to kill animals or to hunt birds. So in my
Yes.
opinion, I think he will not be able to buy bows and arrows. But we have to wait for the next lecture so that we can do the reading again. But I will consider your answers as well. So हम देखेंगे कि किसका आंसर सही था. Okay, Alifia, unmute yourself.
Teacher, can I tell
जी.
the answer of 2?
Yes, you can.
Teacher, I will show paintings and drawings.
Paintings and drawings. Okay, very good. And what you think how the story will end? Alifia, unmute yourself. Let me complete my question.
Aunt Emily will punish William.
Okay, and will he be able to buy bows and arrows or not?
No.
Okay. Okay, just do remember your answers. So we will find it at the next chapter after the reading. So now if you have any question regarding this homework, this question number 2 is your homework. You have to write it down in your classwork copies. The statements which are false, you have to write the correct statements for them. And the statements which are true, that will remain true. Still, you don't have to do any changing in it, okay? But do mention unit number and lesson number, please. Do mention unit number and lesson number. Yes, Alifia.
Teacher, I nothing want to ask.
What? Sorry.
I don't want to ask.
Okay, okay. Abdullah, yes. Okay, Abdullah, wait a second. I will unmute you. Unmute yourself, Abdullah.
I was a story too of my own.
Yes, what?
With my friends, Afaq and Jason. I have a story with them.
Okay, you will tell a story in your show, you are saying.
Okay. Teacher, I will send the video.
Okay, tell me, what do you think how the story will end? What do you think how story will end?
William, if William can collect all money, she can buy the bows and arrows.
Speak thoda loudly. Abdullah, speak loudly. I can't hear you, beta.
Wait a minute.
I'm asking what will be the how the story will end. There's a lot of noise behind you.
If the William, give me a minute. William can collect his money and can buy bows and arrows.
Okay, you are saying William will be able to collect money and he will buy bows and arrows. Okay. Okay, ठीक है. We will keep your answers in our mind so that after completing the next half of this chapter, we will see what was the most possible ending for this chapter. Okay, Filza, you can rewatch the video on YouTube because the class is about to almost end. So we can't help it for it. You can rewatch the video on YouTube and fill your work. Okay, so anyone have any question regarding homework? When you will get homework from school, they will be written end of every question on copy in bold letters. So write down those questions on your class or copy. The questions which are mentioned on copy, you have to write it down in your class or copy from your homework that you have bought from school, bring from school. Yes, Ifra, unmute yourself.
कौन से करने हैं कॉपी पे?
I couldn't hear you. Say it again.
मैं कह रही हूँ क्वेश्चन कॉपी पे कौन से करने हैं?
Only question number 3 will be done on copies. Question number 2 will be done on copies. Question number 3 will remain on your book. Any question regarding this lecture? Or should I end the meeting? Everyone has done it and understood. I hope every one of you have your books. Mahmood, have you bought your book?
Teacher, 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 I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
Teacher, question number 2 will on copy and 3 will on books.
Yes, question number 2 on copy and 3 on book.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, I am going to end the meeting. Take care of yourselves and do your homework very carefully and very properly, especially this true false with the corrections. You have to write the correct sentences for the sentences which are false. Do mention unit number and lesson number on your class of copies. And if it is possible,